Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing meals for your family? Do you wish there was a faster, more efficient way to cook delicious, healthy food without sacrificing flavor or quality? Look no further than the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer. This revolutionary appliance is here to transform your cooking experience and take your culinary skills to new heights. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specification. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Introducing the ultimate cooking companion, the Ninja Foodi DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer is designed to make mealtime easier and more enjoyable than ever before. With its innovative features and versatile functions, it's the perfect tool for busy families, home cooks, and food enthusiasts alike. Whether you're frying, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, this air fryer has you covered. MegaZone Technology, cook larger, feed more. Say goodbye to cramped cooking spaces and hello to the MegaZone. With its generous 7-quart capacity, this air fryer allows you to cook larger proteins and full meals that feed your whole family in one go. Simply insert the basket divider to cook with 2 3/5-quart baskets, or remove it to utilize the full MegaZone for maximum capacity and convenience. DualZone Technology. Cook smarter, not harder. One of the standout features of the Ninja DZ071 Foodi is its DualZone technology, which eliminates the need for back-to-back cooking. With Smart Finish, you can cook 2 different foods 2 ways and have them finish cooking at the same time. Alternatively, use Match Cook to sync settings across both zones for seamless cooking and perfect results every time. Versatile cooking options for every craving. From crispy air-fried favorites to succulent roasted meats, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi offers 6 different cooking functions to satisfy all your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, or dehydrate, this air fryer has the versatility to handle it all. Plus, with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can enjoy guilt-free indulgence without compromising on taste. Faster, more efficient cooking. With 2 heating fans working together to cook your meals 40% faster than a traditional oven, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your loved ones. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or entertaining guests on the weekend, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection in record time. Easy to clean, easy to love. Cleanup is a breeze with the Ninja DZ071 Foodi. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe crisper plates and basket make cleanup a snap, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Plus, with its sleek black design and compact footprint, this air fryer looks great on any countertop and is sure to be the envy of all your friends and family. Unlock the full potential of your cooking. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen and take your cooking to the next level? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specification. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its innovative design, advanced features, and unbeatable performance, it's the ultimate tool for home cooks who demand nothing but the best. Don't wait, order yours today and start cooking like a pro. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.